Let's learn this photogenic makeup that makes you pop in every picture and turn heads in real life. Without a further ado, let's start. Let's start with the first step, that is base, and you can clearly see that I have a little bit of marks on my face like this one and this one. These are both acne scars, and this is the current pimple situation that is going on my face, so we need to cover everything. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a lot of moisturizer, because I believe that your skin should be very moisturized before you start doing your makeup, because that's how your base is going to turn out to be better. So for this one I'm going to use my Simple Pond's moisturizer. That is the one I'm using on my daily basis. Also, if you start using moisturizer a lot in your makeup rituals, like in your base making, it's going to turn out to be very effortless base. Actually, you can see that how instantly it's going to add shine to your base, and your base is going to look very smooth. Done with the moisturizer, and as you can clearly see, I have some dark spots under my eyes, also going to cover that everything right now. So particularly this is one of the concealer that I'm having, that this is from Swiss Beauty. Now you can clearly see this is very lighter than my shade, but I am going to use this because in anyways I'm going to use my foundation also, जो मेरे ही shade का है, तो उसके साथ वो बराबर से match हो जाता है. And if you also have a lighter shade of concealer, you can follow the same thing that I'm following right now. I know it's very light than my shade, but just watch it. कंसीलर के साथ एक होता है प्रॉब्लम कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल अभी जैसे लगा लिया कंसीलर, फटाफट से उसको ब्लेंड कर लेंगे, बट एक्चुअल में उसको वैसे नहीं ब्लेंड करना होता है. यू नीड टू कीप इट देयर फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स. दिस इज माई फाउंडेशन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज, एंड यू कैन सी इट्स एब्सोल्युटली माई शेड, and even a little bit darker, I could say. It's a proper match. So this is from Maybelline in their Lumi Matte foundation range. So I'm going to take a very little bit of foundation. ये भी बहुत ज्यादा आ गया है, but let's see. ओके सो मुझे ऐसे डॉट डॉट देना ज्यादा पसंद है, rather than directly taking it on the sponge, because sponge आधा तो sponge ही सोख लेगा मेरा प्रोडक्ट, वेस्ट क्यों करना है. जितना अच्छा बेस होगा उतना ही अच्छा आपका फेस लास्ट में दिखेगा. सो दिस स्टेप इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन, और अगर इसको अच्छे से कर लिया आपने अचीव, तो पूरा का पूरा मेकअप अच्छा हो ही जाएगा. नेवर फॉरगेट योर नेक, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली लोग, मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है वो नेक पे मेकअप ही नहीं करते हैं, फेस उनका अच्छा दिखता है बट नेक भूल गए हो. वैसा नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू टारगेट ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर फेस along with your neck. This is my completely bare face right now. Okay, take a beauty blender and just dab it off. सबसे पहले मैं जहाँ पे मैंने कंसील किया था उसको कंसील कर लूंगी अच्छे से, so that अगर मुझे जरूरत पड़ी तो मैं वहाँ पे फाउंडेशन और लगा सकती हूँ फिर. एंड हमने मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया हुआ था, इसलिए आप देखना आपकी स्किन बिल्कुल भी केकी नहीं लगेगी आफ्टर द बेस इज डन. एंड यार मैंने प्राइमर नहीं लगाया है, बट बिकॉज यूजुअल मेकअप डेज पे, लाइक रेगुलर मेकअप डेज पे, मैं प्राइमर को स्किप करती हूँ, बिकॉज पर्सनली मुझे ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बिकॉज मुझे ज्यादा ब्लैक हेड्स व्हाइट हेड्स नहीं होता है, बिकॉज आई डू स्किन केयर. Done with my foundation and everything. I still feel कि मुझे थोड़ा सा आंखों के नीचे एंड थोड़ा सा लगा लेना चाहिए फाउंडेशन. अब आई फील कि सही से हो चुका है. यूजुअली नेक्स्ट स्टेप शुड बी कॉन्टूरिंग, बट मेरे पास कॉन्टूर नहीं है, मैं यूज भी नहीं करती. सो आई हैव गॉट अ सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट, कि अगर आपके पास भी कॉन्टूर नहीं है एंड यू वांट टू ट्राई इट, और यू वांट दैट इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट जॉ लाइन एंड एवरीथिंग, यू कैन डू दिस थिंग. सिंपली आपके पास एक ब्राउन आई शेडो चाहिए एंड आपका फाउंडेशन चाहिए आपको. सो यू कैन सी मेरे आप आई हैव दिस वन एज द आई शेडो, एंड दिस इज अ प्रॉपर शेड. आई फील इट. तो मैं फाउंडेशन लूंगी मेरा सिंपल, and I'm going to add my shadow in that, eyeshadow in that. Now right now my base is done, so let's move on to the next part. That is, major part over here is going to be my eyes, because I love doing eye makeup, and we are going to turn these hideous dark circles and my plain eyes into something good. Let's see if I can achieve it or not. Okay, so the entire process, my lips were getting so dry, so मैंने सिर्फ lip balm लगा लिया. जब तक मेरा lipstick का turn आएगा तब तक मेरा जो lips है वो अच्छे से प्रेप हो चुके होंगे already. So now we are going to move on to the next step, that is our eyes. So basically the entire point in doing eye makeup is long lashes, good liner, or you can use good kajal also, and a little bit of eyeshadow, because For daily basis makeup, you don't need a lot of eyeshadow, but for a photogenic look, you need your eyes to look very good. So our major focus is going to be on our eyes. So for the eye look, basically, I know it's not the right way to apply your mascara for first, but I always do my mascara first because I don't know, I just get that lift to my lashes and it makes easy for me to apply my liner or kajal. So I'm going to do the same way. You can do it in your own way also, but try this for at least once and you'll see the difference. Okay, so this would look a little bit weird, but this is how I apply my lashes. Applying your mascara first also gives you that freedom of doing it like बहुत अच्छे से आप कर सकते हो, because आपने कोई आई मेकअप नहीं किया हुआ है, तो जितना भी काला होने वाला है वो मैं पोंछ दूंगी बाद में. Can you see the difference between my both the eyes? This mascara is one of the best one that I have ever used, and ये मेरा पूरा खत्म हो चुका है almost, but it's still working. Your lower lashes are also important, by the way. A lot of people, they just forget their lower lashes and do only their upper lashes, and you're ruining your eye makeup. Even if you're very good at your eye makeup and not doing your lower lashes, are just bringing your eye makeup very low. Just adding lashes makes your eye pop a lot. Can you just see the difference between my both the eyes? Because I can make it out. Okay, I'll do this one and I'll be back. Instead of going with a black kajal, I prefer the brown one. So this one is particularly from Faces Canada and it works wonder. And almost khatam ho chuka hai. I use it on daily basis and it looks very good. Very, very good. I'll do this one also quickly. Same kajal I'm going to put on my waterline also. To complete my eye look, I'm going to add a little bit of brown eyeshadow. So particularly this one is going to be my go-to shade right now. Only a little bit, just to make the kajal look a little bit more crisp. With this kind of a brush. Going to add a little bit of shimmer, just the center, and the shade is going to be this shade. Okay, almost done. Now the next step is going to be to apply a lot of blush, because blush is everything. I'm going to go with both cream blushes and the powder blush both. For the cream blush, I'm going to use this one. This is from Swiss Beauty in their Creamy Top Blush with Shea Butter range. This one is actually very pigmented, so I just need one single dot. You can see कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है and only थोड़ा सा लगाने से ही वो बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. For the powder blush, I'm going to go with a very subtle pink color. And I've taken only a little bit, दिख भी नहीं रहा है, but you'll see it onto my face. And just because कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा base create किया था, तो मेरे face पे आपको shine भी दिख रही होगी without even using a highlighter. Going in with a very little highlighter just onto my nose and the tip of my chin and lip, just ऐसे, and यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी बस, ज़्यादा कहीं नहीं लगाने वाली हूँ मैं. The trick of applying the highlighter the right place on your cheeks is smile, and you get the point, and then you just put it over there and you just glide it. Line दिख रही है, and then you just blend it with your hands. It is that simple. For my lips, I'm gonna go with this shade of Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Cherry Brown 06. It's very good. It's very pigmented and one swipe application है इसका. You can see with the size of this pencil how much I have used it. For my lips, I'll go in with the lip liner from Swiss Beauty again, but this time it's in the shade Sandy Pink and it's very good. This combination of these two lip liners is very good for your nude lipsticks, for your dark lipsticks, for everyday look. These are perfect. I love this shade. All right, done with my makeup. Just eyebrows are remaining. Eyebrows, I'll do nothing. I'm just going to set them because I don't like to use eyebrow gel or anything. I don't even like to fill my eyebrows because my eyebrows are already naturally very dark, and I just that if I keep on filling them, all the attention is going to be grabbed by my eyebrows itself. So I don't do that, but I give them the proper shape. And this is the final look. What do you guys think about it? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys get notified about it. And until then, stay healthy and bye bye.